Today we're going to connect wirelessly to the Uconnect infotainment system in the 2020 Jeep Cherokee via Bluetooth. From the opening screen of the Uconnect system, select Phone. Next, the system will ask you if you would like to connect a phone. Select Yes. At this point, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable on your mobile device. The Uconnect system will display a 4-digit PIN number. Verify the number matches the pairing request sent to your phone. Select Pair if the numbers match. Next, the Uconnect system will ask you to confirm that the pins match. Select Yes. The Uconnect system will now ask if you want to make this phone your favorite. Select Yes if applicable. Congratulations! You're now successfully connected. All of your contacts and info will be imported into the Uconnect system. Be sure to tune into the other videos in our 2020 Jeep Cherokee model series. As always, thanks for watching.